Free! I will show you how to make customizable spinner keychain with custom text and custom logo. Welcome to version 1 of customizable spinner keychain. Add your text or name, adjust size, choose your style extruded or engraved, choose your font, Arabic fonts, supported. Now let's add the logo. You can upload any SVG photo. Leave a comment if you want me to explain how to get highly detailed photo in SVG. Adjust scale and rotation if needed. You can choose any color for each of them. For now, you can write color name. Press download and choose your printer and download 3MF file. If your logo have small details, turn on Detect Thin Wall, or you can use 0.2 nozzle. Hit slice and enjoy printing and spinning your keychain. My Maker World profile's link in bio. Don't forget to support and tell me what do you want to customize next.